Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today I'm highlighting a 2022 white Transit Connect Mini-T Campervan. These get 24 to 28 miles to the gallon, have great safety features, including blind spot indicators in the mirror, lane keeping assist, emergency braking. They drive like a vehicle, not a camper. They can fit in a garage, fit through a standard car wash. Inside you find a bed, 43 by 72 inches, or when you're not ready for bed, it folds into a couch. The advantage of a couch is you have a place to sit. You can watch TV. There's an over-the-air antenna, DVD player, 2000 watt inverter, dual house batteries, solar, 2000 watt inverter, refrigerator, sink, max air fan for ventilation, LED lighting. All the campervans come with shore power plug and cord, WeatherTech sunshades, WeatherTech floor mats to help keep your campervan clean. Another great safety feature is they have a large reverse camera. And here it is from the back. Check out our inventory, www.dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!